Namaste everyone, how are you guys doing? This is Geeta and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be showing you a technique for stress relief by doing a head massage and an oil application. Please note that this is not professional advice. This is what I do when I feel stressed and have a headache. You can do this your own or even more enjoyable when somebody else does oil application and massage to you. If you are interested to know this hair oiling method, please continue watching. Before I start the hair oiling, I would like to create an environment where you also can feel calm and relax. For that, I have chosen this noise-free corner. Actually, this is my office. Now I'm going to decorate it with some real plants. I'm also adding this Buddha statue, water fountain, and this lavender candle. I'm also adding these cushions to bring the coziness in this area. Now I'm going to play some soothing and relaxing music from YouTube. Now sit in a comfortable position. So first of all, I'm going to start with neck exercise to release any tension from my neck. Just moving my head slowly from left to right, back and forth motion and rotating it. Now I'm rubbing my palm and placing them on my face to feel the vibration of relaxation. To release stress from my face, I'm using my fingertips on my jawline, my face, temple area, forehead, and all the way back of my head and neck, just pressing gently. I'm going to repeat this process a few times. Using fingertips in a circulation motion on your temple area, you really start to feel the stress being released. This same technique you can apply to your forehead, head, crown area and back of your neck. Now I'm using my fingertips gently pressing on my crown area towards my neck, and I'm going to repeat this few times. You can also increase or decrease the pressure according to your liking. Again, I'm using my fingertips and sometimes my palm pressing against the area between my shoulders, and here I'm adding some extra pressure, and I can't tell you guys how good I'm feeling right now. Now here I'm using my thumb on my right side of my neck, behind my ear and back of my head, gently pressing and massaging there. So guys, I'm not a massage therapist, but I'm trying my best to explain this method. Best thing I can advise you here, you can also sense your muscles and use the pressure point with your fingertips, thumb, and sometimes you can also massage it in a circular motion. And now I'm going to repeat this same technique to the other side of my neck. Now I'm separating my fingertips, pressing my whole head and massaging it. Again, I'm using my fingertips in a circular motion to massage the back of my neck. Now I'm just stretching my neck to the end of this massage. For hair oiling, I'm using this coconut oil, adding some drops of eucalyptus essential oil in it. To apply oil on my hair, I'm using this cotton ball. Now I'm making a middle part and applying oil with this cotton ball and massaging it. Now I'm going to complete this process, making a part between 1 inch or 2 and applying the oil and massaging my scalp. Now I'm done with oiling. Now I'm going to use this same massage technique what I did earlier. Here I have completed hair oiling and now I'm going to leave the oil on my hair overnight and I will shampoo it tomorrow morning. So guys, tell me how did you like this video by writing a comment in a comment section. I would also love to hear a suggestion from you so I can improve my work. Or if you like this video even little bit, please hit that like button. Or if you are first time here on my channel, don't forget to subscribe by pressing the bell icon button so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.